Assalamualaikum guys, hope you're well. So today I'm making Singapore rice. The best thing about these rice are you do not need to make anything on the side. Everything is made all in one go and it's amazing for adults and children. Before I begin though, please subscribe and do press that bell button and let's do this. So I'm adding 1 litre of water. Now basically with boiled rice, add as much water as you can. The more water the better. I'm now adding 275 grams of rice. I did soak this for about an hour, drain the water out and now adding into the pan. Now I am adding 1 small onion chopped. So salt to taste, but I've added 1 tablespoon here. And a 1/4 teaspoon of oil. And a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin whole, that's what they look like. Cook on medium heat and do check occasionally. So this is a rule for my boiled rice. I check occasionally as soon as the rice is done. I take the heat off and then drain the water out. And yes, so that is the main rule. Some people say that their rice are mushy or stuck together, but if you follow this process, as soon as it is done, take the heat off, drain the water, and inshallah your rice will be perfect. There we go, rice is done, back into the pan and let's move on to the next stage. Lid on of course to keep it warm. In boiled water add some egg noodles. So do make sure that you do get egg noodles and not spaghetti, they are different. And yeah, on the packet it will say egg noodles on there. Just adding a bit of salt, and when the noodles are done, do drain the water out. With the noodles, I do run them under cold water so they don't not stick together. Here I have oil which is hot and I'm just going to fry the noodles until they become stiff. So I suggest if you have kiddies, do make quite a few of this because I actually had to hide this from my kids. They could not get enough of it. Now in another pan add 2 tablespoons of oil and a tablespoon of garlic paste and cook this until it becomes golden in colour. Now I'm adding 1/2 kg of chicken and I've sliced this like so. So thin slices and in it goes. Cover and cook until the chicken changes its colour. Like so, and now it's time to spice things up. I'm adding carrot which I've done julienne cuts and the tomato and bell pepper I've done as cubes. I'm adding tomato ketchup and dark soy sauce. The ingredients are in the description below. I'm also adding chilli sauce. You can add as desired really. Also just adding about 4 tablespoons of water. Now adding some black pepper and also some white pepper and salt to taste. So in a separate plate I have cornflour and a bit of water. Just going to mix that. So at this stage the chicken is cooked, it's tender, and now I'm also going to be adding the cornflour mixture, and what that does is just thickens the gravy. So I cooked this for a few minutes after adding the cornflour mixture and now this is complete. So the final stage of this dish is in a plate add some mayonnaise and some chilli sauce. Wow, look how red that is. And red chilli flakes. So just a bit of water to help it mix well. So just mixing enough until the lumps lessen, and this sauce is now complete as well. Next we shall assemble these Singapore rice. So first up is the rice. And the delicious chicken that we just made. And oh god guys, I cannot stress enough how amazing and juicy this was. And the lovely sauce that we just made, that goes on top. And yeah, this dish is super light and so delicious. You guys are definitely going to love this. And just ending the dish with the fried noodles that we made. And that's it guys, I hope you've enjoyed this. Until next time, Allah Hafiz.